So I think my passion for biochemistry just comes from the fact that you can find that sort of explanation for all of these different things that occur just naturally. Just this idea that, there is a way you can sort of look down at the nitty-gritty and see why does this happen the way that it happens. I think biology is interesting in just the observation of phenomena, but chemistry gives you the idea of okay, what makes these things tick? I think originally it came from just that sort of basic interest. I enjoyed biology and chemistry at school, I wanted to see where that could take me. But I think nowadays it has matured a little bit, especially with the sort of environment that you're in this university. I think there's a lot of opportunity to kind of see into what you can do with these sort of subjects in terms of research, in terms of industry, all these sorts of things. You get different perspectives on the same problems. And I think it does kind of ignite your passion to some extent, just kind of shows you that there is a direction that you can take all of this. So I would say that you get introduced to quite a wide variety of skills. You get introduced to data analysis skills, be that with RStudio, different programs, lots of basic biological techniques, but also some chemistry techniques. You do, as the years progress, get more and more developed and focused in these sort of techniques you're taught. And something that I think is quite valuable is that in fourth year we get our honours projects up in the actual research labs, which means that you get introduced to even more specific techniques which you might not get on an average biological course. For example, there's lots of experimental techniques being used, like sort of high-bit tagging of proteins, different things which are quite novel techniques, but that we are allowed to sort of engage with, again, if we go searching for these opportunities. I'm not aware of any other universities that do sort of summer internships specifically for the student body that are so upfront with industry opportunities, all these sorts of things. I think they're very keen to get you in and getting those sort of practical experiences which can just upgrade your CV, make sure that you are the best scientist you can be.